Home Remedies presents how to get rid of digestive troubles in 1 minute. In today's video, I will talk about one of the best asanas to control digestive troubles, and that is Pawanmuktasana. What is Pawanmuktasana? Pawanmuktasana is also called wind relieving pose. This asana stimulates and regulates your digestive system, improves metabolism, and aids in nutrient absorption. It is a good way to get rid out of stagnant air and toxins which are responsible for the major ailments. Now let's see how to perform this asana. Follow the steps for Pawanmuktasana carefully as they are mandatory and must be performed. Steps for Pawanmuktasana. Lie down flat on your back. Now inhale slowly and lift the legs straight up. Cling your legs, fold your knees, bend knee upwards to the chest till your thigh touches your stomach and hug them and lock your fingers. Now, lift your head off the floor and put your nose between the knees. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. You can extend it till 1 minute as per your capability. Now exhale slowly and come back to the original position. This is one cycle. Perform this on a regular basis and you will notice that the results are very impressive. Practice it 2 to 3 cycles each day and relax. The asana is not easy in the first time, but with a regular practice you can do this and it becomes quite easier. Benefits of Pawanmuktasana. It cures digestive troubles like acidity, constipation, heartburn, diarrhea, and much more. It strengthens the back and abdominal muscles and reduces belly fat. It tones the arms, legs, and buttocks. It enhances blood circulation in the hip joints. It eases tension, especially in the lower back. It massages the pelvis and strengthens the reproductive system. Caution: you should avoid doing this yoga pose if you have any of the following health issues: high blood pressure, hyperacidity, hernia, slip disc, heart problem, testicular disorder, neck and back issues. Women are advised to refrain from practicing Pawanmuktasana during pregnancy and menstruation. After seeing the benefits of this asana, I think everyone should perform it on a regular basis. Take care and live well. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.